So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my creative shoots, how I plan my shoot, and how I edit. Let's go.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
Let's go. Yeah, no, we're going to the location. Let's go with the model. Let's climb the back, man. Drive!
Yeah.
Damn.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
You didn't shock
You
me.
didn't believe me. Oh. Ready, bring your hands. I'm all ready. There's only one light for the shoot, and natural light.
Give me light in my mouth.
It's oiling himself, which is very important for the shoot. So what I'm doing right now is like connecting the trigger to the AD. Right now it's on channel 3, right? Channel 3.
So before we started the shoot, some guys actually came to like ask for money, which is actually normal in Lagos. If you shoot outdoor a lot, you understand what we are going through right now. So we had to like settle agbiros, but they call themselves securities of that area, which you have to settle them. It is necessary. So we did that and we move on.
Background is underexposed and perfect. It's just to bring the light in for me to shoot. So I want us facing this side. I don't want those cars to show. I wanted the flowers to be white too, but I could not get white flowers. Bring the light. I'm going to do that. What I'm trying to like go inside this side. Yeah, this is enough, but yeah, it's okay. I'm trying to like make the grass cover him halfway. Yeah, so we'll move. Let's move. Yeah. So as you can see, the grass is covering his body. Lagos is stressful. Lagos is hot. I mean, like it's yeah. Like seriously, bro. Found a very nice composition from the ground up. So I'm going to take this shot. Flowers here are like the foreground. So I'm going to take it again. So just show you guys. And this is super crazy, man. Look at this. Woo! Good. You know what thing go bam? Wait till I finish this one. Rather than him.
You go all this thing.
You know that concept I said I wanted to shoot at the beach? You know that one that the chair was there. So rather than him climbing up, it will make sense that this light will not reach there. You climb up.
And shoot it from up.
Yes.
So I go to the next location.
Egbeko carry light.
I don't say this thing is scratch.
You don't scratch?
Yes, you are wicked. I swear to God.
Oh yeah, you don't climb up already.
Guys, scratching.
Now this one.
Yes, no.
Oh, that's true. I just see her for the body.
This is not even funny at all. Yes. Then you felt the tip.
At this point, we wanted an upward angle shot of this scene, which turned out really nice, but I wasn't feeling it, so we had to move to the next location.
Yeah, they move good outside. God, for just one picture.
Demola, what? Water don't cover him.
Shit, I swear.
Yeah, all this place
fucking white. Water don't
sand.
cover back. Hey, reverse. Ever we see Dede, Popo Dede. Are they serious?
Wait is up.
Shut up, Jai. Where they go?
Reverse, you know who is this place? Popo did outside.
Shut up, Jai.
Are you blind?
What do you want?
Okay, they can't over.
Oh, where more they go, Jai?
Go easier. See that sand part.
So we leave light inside car. The reason why I wanted this light by his side is that I was using the sun as the main light and the AD200 as the fill light. That's why we faced some challenges shooting this because of the wind. The wind was so much. In fact, we could not shoot this concept very well just because of the wind, but actually the wind was actually giving us what we wanted, but it was just way too much. But we managed to capture some nice shots, which I really love. I'll be showing you guys the results soon. This is the last location.
So
So welcome to my screen. If I want to start editing, I usually start with Lightroom. Then what do I do in Lightroom? I actually like do a little bit of adjustment, then we'll move on to Photoshop. So if you want to go to Photoshop, it's very easy. We're always going to click here. After the adjustment, edit and go to Photoshop. So right now, to be honest, I've edited the pictures and I just want to show you guys the process like I said before. So like this is the result of the shoot. So I'm just going to go to Photoshop and show you my layers on how I edited them. So let's go. So right now we have the image and all my layers right here. I'm going to off everything just to show you guys how I did everything one by one. This is the main image. I'm gonna have to like crop it out because I know I'm going to fill all this place up because I wanted everything to be in the middle. I'm using Photoshop 4x5 size because I knew I wanted to post it on Instagram, so that's why I cropped it like that. So let's go to the first thing I did. I had to like remove the people holding the white clothes at the back, so I had to remove them first, which was not actually clean. Yeah, so I guess the guy hand was still there. I had to like try again, then I removed it. Then moving on, I went on to filling up the whole space on top. You guys can see I filled the whole space on top. Then we went to changing the flower. I wanted white, so I changed it to white. Then the sky was just too plain and it was not giving, so I added something really nice. Wanted the cloud to show. Yeah, then I added flowers. AI did it. I added a little bit of flowers just to focus out. AI is a very great tool. If there was no AI, I could have spent longer time on this image, but thanks to AI. So what I do next is create a new layer, then add this cloud text. This cloud text is another tutorial on its own. So this is what it's like. So I first add the brush. I made a cloud brush. It's a long thing. Tell me if you need it, I'll create a tutorial for it. So that's a cloud test. Then created a new layer, then added more clouds to this place just to give it this kind of feeling. Then went straight to create a new layer. Then I retouched the skin a little bit. You can see just a little bit. I didn't do too much. Then we went on to dodge and burn. So this is like a dodge and burn layer. I'm just going to like name it because of this video. So dodge and burn. I use $sign. Wow. So dodge and burn. Then I created a new layer for color grading camera raw. So what I did the camera raw was to upload my LUTs. If you want to upload your LUTs, let me teach you. Remember, my LUTs is in my description below. If you need it, get yours. So the camera raw filter is very easy. Then come over to here, then load settings, then you can load the LUTs. It's very easy. Then you do a little bit of adjustment here once you load the LUT, because the LUTs can't work for all your pictures the same way it's going to work for me. So you have to learn how to correct it. So you go through all this, then correct it yourself. That's the honest truth and the bitter truth. So I'm going to click OK because I'm not doing anything there. Then what I did next was to add my name, and boom, we upload to Instagram. That's how I created this beautiful image. I've showed you guys this and this. I felt I should show you guys as I created them. Thank you and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to others for them to learn. Yeah, bye.